Hello everyone, welcome back to this another tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to display all the IELTS LMS courses on one page and add courses page in the menu and how to publish a new module on the course page. Now, firstly, we will add a new page. For that, hover over this new option. Firstly, make sure you are logged in as an admin, otherwise you won't see this admin bar at the top. After you logged in as an admin, click on this new page option and give your page a title. So I'm going to name it as IELTS courses. To display all the courses on a page, we will use shortcode. For that, click on this add block icon and search for shortcode. Now here we will enter a shortcode which will display our IELTS LMS courses. The shortcode is IELTS LMS course grid. And then click on publish. Once the page is published, click on view page. Now here you can see all our courses which we have added on IELTS LMS is displaying on the same page. Now how we can add this course page in a menu section? Now to edit the menu, you can either go to WordPress dashboard or you can use the shortcode, hover over the website name and click on menu. I'm opening it in a new window. This is the existing menu of our website. And on the left side, we have all the WordPress post types. To add the pages, this is the recent page we have created. So choose this page and click on add to menu. Now this menu item has been added. We can also change the order of this menu item. So you can pick this item and drag to a order you want. So I want to add it in the second order after the home. You can also edit the label of the menu item. So instead of IELTS courses, let's say we want to keep it only courses, and then finally click on save menu. If you go to the website and refresh the page, we have a courses menu item published in the second order. Now when someone comes to your website and click on courses, you'll be able to see all the courses at a one place. Now secondly, how we can publish or create a new module. Now these 8 modules are added by default when you subscribe for IELTS LMS, which has the test further. You can either edit these names, the profile picture, or you can create a new one. So we'll see how to do that. For that, you have to go to IELTS dashboard. So there is a link that you get after you subscribe for the IELTS LMS. You can directly click on that link, or you can copy the URL of your website and then enter slash and type IELTS admin. Now this is the IELTS admin dashboard. Now on the left side, we have certain items. In the reading section, you can upload a reading test. The same way, there are other 3 sections to upload these sections separately. We will look into these in another tutorial. Now, I'm going to click on this courses. This is the list of all courses that are published on our website. Now, if you want to add the existing name, let's say I want to edit this name academic mock test to academic practice test, you can simply click on edit, and here you can edit any detail you want. So instead of academic mock test, enter practice test, and here you can change the pricing, you can change the design, the profile picture, or you can also edit the lesson details here and click on edit course. Now here you can see changes have been made. Now let's see how to publish a new module. For that, click on add module and enter the name of the module here. So I'm going to add general mock test. You can also enter any number and click on create course. Now these are the basic details of the course. Here add the short description of the course, and then here enter the price. User will only have to pay the sale price. In the access period, enter the number of days user will be able to access the course after making the payment. Once the period has been expired, then user has to renew the course, and there are certain default layout styles. We will look into it later. At the bottom, there is an option to choose the category and the profile picture for the course. So I'm going to use this picture. You can upload it from your computer or system. So details has been filled. Now to add the mock test, there is a second tab, lesson details. So name your lesson. You can either add mock test 1, day 1, it's up to you. And at the bottom, each lesson will display 4 icons. This icon represents reading, listening, writing, and speaking. So when you click on the icon, it will open a pop-up which will display all the reading tests added on your website. So you can select multiple tests and then click on add. The same way you can choose the listening tests, reading, and the speaking tests. Once the tests are selected, then click on the save icon and it will save this particular lesson. To add the second lesson, the same way, add the lesson and choose the test. And click on save icon and then finally publish the course. Now go to your website and go to the courses page and give it a refresh. And here you can see our course has been published. Now if you click on this course page, it has a cover banner, option to buy the mock test. Now these tests are locked because it's a paid course. After buying this course, you will get the access to these courses. Now if I click on this button, it takes user to the checkout page. User has to fill these details and then make a payment, and automatically user will get the access of this course. Now in the course page, we saw a few design options. Now if you choose the second design and refresh this page, now it will change the look of this course. So you can choose the design depending on your requirements. If you choose the third one, which is the most used design by IELTS trainers, it has a very clean look, and similarly you can have a look at this interface on the phone. So it looks pretty clean on the page itself. There are a few other designs like this card design. It's also pretty good and looks very professional. Now user can open all these tests after making the payment. Now if you want to keep first lesson or any other lesson open for the demo, let's say this course is paid and you want to open this first lesson for the demo purpose, you can choose the preview option. Now this will enable the preview for this lesson. So it will add a label here, preview, which means user can take the test right away without making the payment. And if they want to unlock the other lessons, then only then they have to make the payment. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. I have added the support link in the video tutorial. So you can create a new ticket and share your questions with me.